Good morning, candidates. Micah August one liners. Number 2. Yesterday we saw these two persons in news awards. Now we will see schemes and launches. Recently, Atal Pension Yojana has completed 5 years of its implementation on which date? 9th May. Madhya Pradesh. Recently, which state has become the first state in the country to provide midday meal ration? Madhya Pradesh. Now, Himachal Pradesh. Recently, which state government has Mukhya Mantri Shahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana guaranteeing at least 120 days of employment to people living in urban areas? The answer is Himachal Pradesh. Recently, which state government has launched a Mathur Smrishti scheme to utilize 50,000 acres of barren land in 6 districts, West Bengal? Recently, which state government has decided to cover landless agro laborers under the second phase of Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyay Yojana, Chhattisgarh? Former Australian Rugby League captain Arthur Summons, who is immortalized on the National Rugby League trophy, has died. He was 84. Which state government has launched Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyay Yojana on 21st May? The answer is Chhattisgarh. The Union Cabinet extended the Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana as a social security scheme for senior citizens till which year? March 2023. Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana Social Security Scheme, March 2023. Recently, the central government has launched a scheme for complete solarization of the temple. What is that temple? Konark Sun Temple in Odisha. Recently, which state government has begun the third phase of Sujalam Sufalam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan scheme? Gujarat. Recently, which state government has launched a new scheme called Dhanvantari for home delivery of Dhanvantari for home delivery of medicines? Assam. Dhanvantari is Dhanvantari is a name of a god, medicine god. Dhanvantari. Let us see. Dhanvantari. Dhanvantari. Wikipedia says Dhanvantari is the Hindu god medicine and an avatar of Lord Mahavishnu. He is mentioned in the Puranas as the god of Ayurveda. He, during the Samudra Manthan, arose from the ocean of milk with the nectar of immortality. It is common practice in Hinduism for worshippers to pray to Dhanvantari, seeking his blessings for sound health for themselves and or others, especially on Dhanteras or Dhanvantari Trayodashi. I just wanted to tell you this. Good. Next one. Recently, which bank has launched a special borrowing scheme for self-help groups to help the SHGs in order to overcome the difficulties posed by COVID-19? The answer is Indian Overseas Bank. Where is the headquarters of Indian Overseas Bank? Where is the headquarters of Indian Overseas Bank? The answer is what? Chennai, the place where I stay. Next, national and state. Recently, Indian Institute of Technology Alumni Council has launched a COVID-19 test bus in which city? Mumbai. Recently, which organization has launched a campaign titled Surakshit Dada Dadi, Nana, Nani, Abhiyan to ensure well-being of senior citizens of the country. Niti Aayog, after successfully tested which nuclear missile, every year National Technology Day is celebrated on 11th May across India. It is Shakti 1. What is the name of the mission which was started by Government of India to provide assistance to Eastern Indian Ocean region nations and the coronavirus crisis? Mission Sagar. Recently, Pranavayu program was launched in which city to create awareness about respiratory health? Bengaluru. How much financial package was announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 12th May to deal with the coronavirus pandemic? 20 lakh crore. Recently, Geographical Indications Registry has given the geographical indication tag to saffron. In Tamil, we call it Kungumappu. Of which region? The answer is Kashmir. Recently, which state government has launched exit app for stranded people of other states? The answer is West Bengal, the state where I became the branch manager first in the year 1975. Jalpaiguri. Recently, which state government has launched Ayush Kavach COVID app, which will provide for measures to boost immunity based on natural resources? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, which state government has launched NIGA program to aware family members of migrant returnees? Himachal Pradesh. Recently, which state government has increased the retirement age of government staff, teachers, and those in public sector units from 58 years to 59 years? The answer is Tamil Nadu. According to a study by the Internet and Mobile Association of India titled Digital in India, which state or union territory topped the highest internet penetration rate among all states in India? Delhi. Recently, which state government has launched a Pravasi Rahat Mitra app to connect migrants with schemes and jobs? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, which state government has decided to suspend the majority of labor laws for a period of 1,000 days or over 3 years to attract investment? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Recently, which state government has formed a panel under ex RBI Governor C. Rangarajan to improve fiscal position? Tamil Nadu. Recently, which state government has launched country's first ever FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana? FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, which state Sohrai Kovar painting has received a geographical indication tag from the Geographical Indication Registry? Jharkhand. Recently, which state government has launched HOPE HOPE portal to help unemployed youth to get job opportunities? Uttarakhand. TVS Group, which IIT and which IIT jointly developed an automated respiratory assist device? Sundaram Ventago. I think it's a ventilator. IIT Madras. Recently, the government has announced how much reduction in TDS, TCS rates till March 31, 2021. What is that? 0.25. Is it percentage? No? Yeah, 0.25 percentage. Recently, which state has become the first state in India to regulate the cultivation of crops? Telangana. The National Disaster Management Authority has created a new online dashboard named National Migrant Information System. Where is the headquarters of National Disaster Management Authority? New Delhi. Yeah. So we have covered this. a landing craft utility LCU Mark IV warship built by the Gordon Reed Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited was commissioned into the Indian Navy at which place? Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of which Union Territory? Andaman and Nicobar. So I know candidates, some of these points are repeated from what was stated in the question answer quiz of July of Micah. Doesn't matter. It's a question of revision for us. So best wishes. Thank you.